So today in this ad account of springtails.in, which is an e-commerce website having different jewelry based products, I'm going to work on one of the campaigns out of the available campaigns, which shows the ads on Google depending on what we type in. Let's say if I type in buy jewelry, then this campaign shows the ads in the top slots, which is called as PLA ads. Now, the most difficult part of managing this shopping campaign that shows display ad is that we can't optimize it much, majorly because we can't add keywords in this shopping campaign. So let me filter out this shopping campaign first. This is the campaign, and this campaign is having multiple groups. Then you can think how the hell this campaign works if we can't add keywords into it. So these shopping campaigns or shopping ads takes keywords automatically from the title and description of the website. So right now we have one couple of products into it, but let's say if I talk about this product, then keywords will be taken by the title and the description. And if I get you into the campaign, even though you will find a keywords tab here and you will think maybe we can add keywords here, but you can see we don't have any keywords in this campaign. The campaign allows us to add negative keywords, but not the positive keywords. If I take you into any search campaign, let's say this one is a search campaign, you can see this keywords tab, where we add keywords in phrase, brought an exact match. But here in shopping, we can't add any keywords. I'm sorry, in shopping, we can't add any keywords because we don't have the keywords tab there. Anyway, so this is the campaign which needed to be optimized, and this campaign has not generated any conversion in last 7 days. Let me give you a bit of idea about this campaign. So this campaign has got 26 clicks. I hope this is visible in last 7 days. And these 26 clicks, have come from, this campaign. We have different groups in this campaign, but in total, we have spent around 186 rupees and no conversion over here. Very sad story. Now here also in this campaign, we have multiple groups. So we have 4 groups here: white pearl necklace set, then green crystal pendant, bendable necklace, and cherry earrings. So basically this campaign is having different groups where every group is further having the product for it. If I talk about, let's say this white pearl necklace set, this is having this product, only one product. Then this product, okay, if I click over here, I can take you to the product page, right? So this is the product, artificial pearl necklace set, and this is the product page. It was listed at 599, but additional discount is giving us a price of 149. Cool. So this is the product, and here we have the campaign with multiple ad groups, 4 ad groups in total. Now we have 2 challenges. One, that in this campaign, out of 4 available groups, only 2 are getting clicks, and the remaining 2, the last 2, bendable necklace and cherry earrings, has not generated any click in last 7 days. So first of all, we have to figure out how we make these 2 groups work. Groups may not work sometimes because of the bidding amount. If the bidding is very less, then the group of course will not function at all. The bidding is quite okay. You can see it's 30 across all these 4 groups. Second important thing could be that people are not searching for this product. So for this bendable necklace, the product that we are promoting is hold on, bendable necklace. Okay, let me just find the product from the group only. So this is the bendable necklace group. Then I click over here, and this one is the product, artificial bendable necklace. So maybe people are not finding this product compared to the other products in the group or in the campaign. Maybe that's why the campaign is not generating clicks for this one. Second reason could also be that these groups or these products are not letting other two products to get clicks and impressions. Anyways, so right now we have a daily budget of 200 rupees. If I look for yesterday, we have barely consumed any amount. We have only spent 8 rupees. If I look for 1st of Jan, that means day before yesterday, on this particular date, we have spent 78 rupees. So budget is not the issue. You can see it's not that the first two groups are taking the entire budget of the campaign, because even this 200 is not spending. So now the only possibility could be either a less bidding amount, which is okay. So that's even is not a possibility now. Then I think people are not searching for these products much on Google. Anyway, this is one. I have to keep a close eye on these two groups. Secondly, I really have to check why these two groups, the above two groups, are not generating conversions, but only getting clicks. Now, how do we optimize this campaign? That's the holy grail for working or for the success of a shopping campaign. Now, if I get into this ad group, the first thing which we always check in a search and the shopping campaign is the search term. Search term means what people have typed in when they landed on the website or when they got ad in Google. Now for this one, we have multiple searches starting with Moti ka necklace. This is fine. Then we have pearl necklace, relevant search term. Then we have Hyderabadi pearl jewelry. Now our jewelry is not a Hyderabadi pearl jewelry, of course. So I'll have to add this term in negative. This is what I can do. So guys, optimization of search and shopping is all about getting the relevant traffic on the website. And this relevant traffic can be, configured, can be fixed, can be, we can get it if we have the right or the relevant searches of the people that we see through search term report. So then we have original moti mala. No, our product is not a moti mala. It's a necklace. It's not a mala. Then we are getting searches from pearl choker necklace, pearl necklace choker, pearl set, pearl jewelry, white moti choker, Alia. Oh my God. So you can see a lot of people are searching for choker rather than necklace. And I really wonder, one of the person has also typed in jewelry. Then white murti choker, Alia Bhatt pearl choker. Oh my God, a lot of chokers. So what is a pearl choker, by the way? Pearl choker. Okay, so choker is something that snuggles around the neck. This stays close to the neck, and our product is not that close to the neck. In fact, I searched on choker. I just went to AI and check, is this product, like our product, I put in the product link, is it a choker? And then I got an answer that the listing, it appears to be a classical pearl necklace rather than a specifically marketed as a choker that sits tightly around the neck. So choker basically sits somewhere in between the neck. It's not always like a necklace. And you can see a lot of people who are coming on the website are searching for chokers, and we don't want to show the ads on choker at all. So we can't control positive keywords. The only thing we are left with is to add these terms in negative. Now, when we add negative, then the by default option is to add these terms in exact. Now, if I add these terms in exact, then next time when exactly the same query will happen, the searches will get blocked, which I don't want. I want to block the searches when somebody is only having Hyderabadi in the search term. If the search term is having this word in the entire search query, I want to block it. So I'm adding Hyderabadi in negative, in broad negative, in fact. Then mala in broad, taking off the square brackets from before and after. Then choker in negative. Okay. Or let's say even if somebody types in chokers, okay. Jewelry, yeah, I don't want to show the ads to people who are looking for jewelry, because here for this product, it's only a pearl necklace, not jewelry. So when somebody types in pearl jewelry, I don't want to show the ad to him. Yeah, it's still debatable. Why not to show the ad for pearl jewelry? Well, I'm thinking when someone types in pearl jewelry, here he can be looking for any type of jewelry, not only the pearl necklace. Then white moti choker. So moti is something which I can still, okay, add in negative, but this is moti. Why won't someone buy this product if he's searching for moti? So this product moti seems okay. I shall not be adding this in negative. Now if I click on save, okay, I need to add one more term here because I have chosen these terms while adding malas. Now I click on save. So all these three terms, in fact, all these terms are added in negative. If I go to keywords here, somewhere in the campaign, I can see these terms are added at the ad group level in negative. If I want, I can remove any of these terms. So this is one. This is how I'm thinking of getting more relevant searches for this campaign. Having more relevant searches means the chances of conversion or sales will definitely increase. Second thing which I'm thinking is if I can add more products to this campaign, to the search campaign, which is quite a tedious or a lengthier task. I'll have to go through this entire marketplace. I'll have to find which products I can add in the website. And then after adding those products on the website, I can further add it in these campaigns, which I'll be doing in perhaps a different video. Now I really want to see if I can get some sales from this shopping campaign in next 7 days. If you want to check how did I configure this campaign, how did I configure this entire ad account or this entire project, you can perhaps go through the link in the description.